Good morning, everybody. It's Red Squadron 4 here for Box Break 203 for a single box of 11-12 contenders. It is just before 9 a.m. on Sunday, November 10th. And there we go. All right, camera. There we go. Serial number. And good luck to everybody. All right, this camera's messing with me right now. There. All right, let's pull us the booklet. Nice auto. There's lots of base packs in here. But the first card is insert Cup contenders Nathan Horton for the Bruins, 475 of 999. Base. Base. And our first autograph is of soon to be Olympian, I hope, for the St. Louis Blues, Alex Pietrangelo. St. Louis Blues, Alex Pietrangelo. On card, NHL Inc. auto. Not a bad way to start it off. Base. And more base contenders for you. This would be possibly the worst pack to buy, odds-wise. Eric Condra, Ottawa Senators, Calder Contenders, autograph 515 of 800. Eric Condra, Ottawa Senators. For the Islanders, we have a Calder Contenders, Justin DiBenedetto. I don't know how to pronounce that. I apologize. 262 of 999 Calder Contenders for the Islanders. And we have for the Columbus Blue Jackets a Ryan Johansson, Calder Contenders, 570 of 800. Ryan Johansson for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Alright. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, and we have, excuse me, an NHL Inc. playoff contenders for the Calgary Flames, Greg Nemish. And I'm not sure what else we could get in here. Maybe a gold card out of 100. I mean, the odd insert. We have our 4 autos. Scott Timmons, Calder Contenders, 451 of 999. Florida Panthers. And we have a Cup Contenders for the Capitals. At a 999, Alex 7. Alex 7. All right, folks. Well, there's nothing else to random here. Or not, there's nothing too random here. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you future break.